2015 15 inches MacBook Pro Logicboard which came in dead. It's green and orange again, there are no fans spinning, and it's taking 78 milliamps, which usually should take around 500 to 700 milliamps. It's taking just 78 milliamps. This orange light, there's no fan spin, both those fans are not spinning. That means the motherboard is dead. The board looks absolutely clean. I don't see any prior repair attempts as such. The board looks absolutely clean. Let's switch to the thermal camera and see what's happening. So this is the thermal camera view, which is also called as infrared camera, which catches the heat spots on the logic board. Oh, I think we got it. Something here is getting boiling hot. What is the temperature? It is 30 on the normal board, and here it's about 46 degrees. Oh my god, it's 48, 50 degrees. Let's disconnect the power once. Wow, it disappeared. Let's connect it back again. We found the culprit. Disconnected, connected back again. We found it. So the component which was heating is this component. This is the part which was heating. Let's apply a little bit of alcohol and see how does it behaves. Oh. As you can see, the alcohol is jizzing away. Oh, it came off right off the board. So this was the component which was heating. It came off right off the board due to the heat. So this is the glass component which was heating. I cleared the short. I took out the component, but it was still shorting out. So when I see something is shorting out here, it might be this side of the board or other side of the board too. So there is a small capacitor here which is shorting. So we isolated the heat spot. So this is the spot which was heating. Let me just show you how I isolated it. So this is the capacitor which has shorted. So this is the pulling it to ground. So I just injected 1 volt. So this is the point where it was showing short circuit. The white probe is ground and the red probe is for positive current. So when I injected 1 volt, so it's taking 2 amps, 2.263 amps at 1 volt, which is very hot, and the component is getting boiling hot when it's taking 2 amps of current. So this is the component. To be more precise, just isolated. This is the component, this one. So this is how it looks normally. So how it looks under a microscope. Let's look at it now. But this is how it looks under a microscope. Microscope view. I'm struggling a lot to focus my camera. This is how it looks under a microscope. This is how big it looks. And the normal view, this is it. This chip replacement is done, which was shorting out in the earlier. So this cap, this cap had a break on it. This cap got broken. It had a crack in between. That is the reason why it was shorting out to ground. So this is replaced. This is replaced, and this is the ground terminal which I took for injecting the power. So now the moment of truth. Let's see whether the fan will spin or not. So now my power supply is set at 17 volts. Whoa. Now now it's taking about 1 amp. Fans are spinning. Both the fans are spinning. There's a light. At 17 volts it's taking 1.2 amp. That's a beautiful fan spin. MacBook fixed. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Lovely, happy MacBook.